This is the kind of interaction Materia is about. The same interaction model in a different environment. In this example, we're using Blender and interacting through Copilot inside Visual Studio Code. We'll begin with explicit low-level actions. Create a cube. Move it up 1 meter. Set its scale to 2 on all axes. Change its color to red. Smooth its edges. Create holes along the X, Y, and Z axes. These are clear step-by-step instructions, but this is still describing individual operations. Let's move beyond steps. 10 cubes, each one slightly bigger than the last, arranged in a spiral on the ground, with the color gradually shifting from blue to red. The interaction doesn't change, even as the structure becomes more complex. Now let's try something more open. Create a simple stylized tree. In this case, the agent takes initiative. It decides how to construct the tree. This is optional, and you can adapt it to your workflow. You can be precise and explicit, or you can allow the system to interpret your intent. Both approaches are part of the same interaction model. Control isn't removed, it's expanded. That's Materia.